In this video, I'm going to show you how to create MEXC account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to go to the sign up button here in the top right. And when you do this, it's going to take you to their sign up page where basically you have to select how you want to sign up. You have the options of Google, Apple, and they have more options as well in Telegram and MetaMask, or you could just go ahead and type in your email or your phone number, and if you have a referral code, you could also type that in and press continue. Now I'm just gonna go and use Google over here because I think it's one of the fastest way to do this, but you don't have to, of course. You can do whatever you want. You can create your account and link it with whatever platform you prefer. Then whenever you do this, you'll receive a verification code onto your email you actually used to sign up, or of course if you used anything else, it's gonna tell you exactly where your verification code is going to be. So in my case, I do have this verification code over here already. Now what I'm gonna do is basically just open it here in my email, and I'm going to paste this in like that, and it's automatically going to confirm. I'm gonna hit OK, and there we go. It says logged in successfully, and that's really all you have to do. Now your account has now been created, but of course you also have to identify. So to do this, you have to do the primary KYC and then the advanced one, which also is recommended. So the primary one is with ID, the advanced one is with ID and facial recognition as well. Okay, so over here you'll get more benefits, etc. You can just click on verify via web or via app, and when you do this, either of those, it's going to take you to the KYC page where you can basically select your region, and then from your region on you'll be able to of course get verified and get full features on your account. So if I click on that, you can select your ID type, click on next over here. It's going to tell you exactly what they need. Usually it's going to be photos of your ID. Just upload them, click on submit for review, and as you can see here, there's going to be a review time, and when they review this, you'll basically receive notification that your KYC has been completed, and you can then go ahead and use your account, which has now been fully created. So that's essentially how to create an account on MEXC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.